Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enhance video in Canva. So right now I have this audio. I have a video with audio. Let me show you. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if I want to enhance the voice of this video, I simply have to select the video first, and then I have to click on audio tools, and here you can see the option enhance voice. So if you want to extract audio, you can use this option, or if you want to enhance the voice, simply select the second option, click on it. It will take few seconds and then your voice will be enhanced. So hope you like this little tutorial, and this features is available on pro users, so make sure you have a pro account on Canva. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.